Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we are going to be discussing the Chinetti Pip Collector. All right, the Chinetti Pip Collector for MT4 and MT5. Okay, unfortunately, this indicator is not free. Okay, here on the MQL5 marketplace, at least it's not free here. So what is gonna happen is that you're still gonna have the link to the to more information in the description, to the Forex Geek website. If you get to the Forex Geek website, you can actually look at some informations there. And then we're just going to be looking at how this indicator works, basically based on the info here on the MQL5 marketplace. And then we're going to analyze the indicators, signals based on the image that we have here. All right. So without further ado, this indicator is a turnkey trading system, as you can see right here. It is preferably used for scalping strategies. All right. And as you can see, the indicator is going for 69 US dollars. Although if you want to make any financial commitment, I would highly recommend that you test this indicator on free demo first. Okay, when you click on that, it's going to ask you if you have MT4. If you have the MetaTrader 4, just click on this, right? If you do not have it, it's going to direct you to where you can download the MetaTrader 4 platform, right? So once you have downloaded MT4 platform, or if you have it already, just click on this, right? And it's going to lead you to where you can test the free demo. So once you have tested the free demo, if it meets up to your expectations, then you can proceed to make the financial commitment if you are interested in the indicator. But here on the Forex Geek channel, there are a lot of free indicators that we have discussed. Okay, so you can check out other videos, to see many other free indicators if you are looking specifically for free indicators. All right, but as for this indicator, it is going for $69 on the MQL5 marketplace. But if it meets your expectations, then of course there is nothing wrong with making the necessary financial commitment. So let us look at how the indicator works. As you can see, it gives precise signals in the form of arrows, right? Buy and sell signals. You can see the downward arrow is a sell signal, and then you can see the red line also showing bearish momentum. But in the case of a buy trend, you will notice the upward yellow arrows and the blue line showing bullish momentum. So when you get an upward arrow and there is a blue line being displayed, it's a good time to buy. On the other hand, if you notice a downward arrow and a red line being displayed, it's a good time to sell. Please do not sell when the blue line is still displayed, even if the yellow arrow appears. Okay, the yellow downward arrow to be precise. And please do not buy if the red line is still displayed, even if the yellow upward arrow appears. So only trade in the direction of the trend. Only buy when the blue line is displayed and an upward arrow appears. And on the other hand, only sell when the red line is displayed and when the yellow downward arrow appears. Okay, so if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now. Don't forget to turn on your notifications as well, so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.